seems as if everyone has an online training program. So what can you do to make yours stand out? I'm going to give you 5 things to crush it online. Do you want to create, market, or scale your online fitness business? My name's Sean Garner, and here we give real fit pros the tips, tools, and strategies they need to succeed online. Welcome to the EntreFit Podcast. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the EntreFit Podcast. If this is your first time, thanks so much for hanging out with us. We're all about helping the real fit pros to create, market, and scale their online fitness business. So subscribe if this adds value to you, and then share it with a fit pro friend, text it to them, share it on your social media. Really means a lot because my goal, my mission is to help as many real fit pros as possible take back the online space from all the fitness influencers that have never trained anybody in their life. Saying that, guys, there's a lot of people that have online training programs. People ask me all the time, is the online training saturated? Should I even do it? It seems like everybody's doing it. And my response is always pretty much the same. Like, yes, you absolutely should. Reason being is there may have the outward appearance that a lot of people are doing it, but very few do it well. And one thing that I think the real fit pros can do to distinguish themselves is they actually have the ability to coach. It's not just about, hey, this workout program worked for me. I'm really good, really fit and in good shape. You should buy my workout program. Real fit pros, you guys actually have the skills and the ability to coach people and get truly amazing transformations and lasting results. What I wanted to do today, though, is share with you 5 things that you can do to make your program stand out. I often feel as if fitness professionals, how they try to distinguish their program is like with more exercise science terminology in the sales process, or trying to create better workouts that are more scientifically sound, which is great for delivering a really great product. But if you actually want to bring people in your world, you got to be focusing on the things that they are thinking about. So these are 5 big trends that I've seen right now in the online space, and 5 things, maybe not even trends, but a little bit, more so holes and opportunities I see for real fitness pros to take a hold of, grasp, implement into their coaching program so you can stand out even more online and start to take back the online space. So here we go. Number 1 of the 5 things that you should be adding into your coaching program to make it stand out is a focus on immunity and longevity. I think the consumers, they have tons of options for, 12-week transformation programs. And those are great, especially for getting people into your world. That's kind of like the same thing as doing a open house type of a free workout for a group fitness concept. It's great to get people in the gym, but if they really want amazing changes, we know like personal training is like the best, highest level thing that they could do. Right now, with the way of the world, with all the things that are going on, people are fearful for their health. So it's not just about wanting a 6-pack or that bikini body. They're putting a lot of emphasis personally on immunity and longevity. They're wanting to make sure that the things that they're doing are leading to overall health, and everything that they're looking at is for boosting an immunity, preventing disease. And at the second part with that is longevity, is they're wanting to make sure that this is lasting change. I think, yes, we live in a world where people want the quick fixes, but they also want that quick fix to last them forever. So being somebody's, one-stop shop to where it's not just about saying, guys, oh, you need to work out because it's going to help boost your immune system. Get concrete with it. What can you actually do? How could you partner up with like maybe a holistic provider, maybe like a naturopath? How can you give them some proven immunity boosting supplement recommendations, some things that they should be eating in their new diet to help boost their immune system, sleep habits to help boost their immune system, tying in things like that to not just say, oh, you should work out because it's good for you and that will boost your immune system. That's not what we're talking about here, guys. We're talking about doing the real work, putting in some groundwork, digging in, and really finding out what your clients need and how you can best serve them by helping them to boost their immunity with what they do. And the second part with that is, guys, everything should be about longevity. We don't just want to crush people and beat them up. We want to create a forever plan. You want to be your client's forever coach, not that somebody to come to for a 12-week program and they bounce, but they're forever coach. So it's all about creating that immunity component for them and making this a lasting transformation with longevity. The second thing out of the top are the 5 things that you should be adding into your coaching program right now to stand out is community. with so many people being forced to social distance to where they can't even meet in person at their favorite restaurants or gyms. Group fitness classes are consolidating. Some gyms aren't even let you meeting, especially if you don't have a card or anything like that. People are longing for community more than ever right now. They've been socially isolated for such a long time. They need that community aspect. So even if you're not doing any type of a group coaching program, you should have some type of community aspect to what you do, to where all of your clients have a place to where they can connect, they can build that community, even if it's just around that they work with you. Tons of things that you could do for them as far as like creating even just like a free community Facebook group. Even if you're not sharing workouts on there, it's just for ways for them to network, just asking polls, Q&A, just giving them overall those immunity and longevity, health and nutrition and fitness tips, just to create that drive and camaraderie with what they do. Because people, for one, that's just going to add more value to the clients that you're called to serve that are in the group. And two, it's going to increase retention because people are going to know that they're not just doing it by themselves. They're a part of something that other people are doing, and it just gives you that social proof. So you got to have that community aspect. So number 3 of the 5 things that you should be adding into your coaching program are a huge emphasis on mindset and goal setting. We talked about this in the last podcast episode, where right now so many people are struggling with a really poor mindset. If you turn on the news, don't even turn on the news anymore, guys. It's just flooded with negativity, all the horrible things that are going on in the world. We just came out with a horrible, past year and a half, and it just seems to keep getting worse and worse for so many people. The world sucks right now, kind of, guys. And I think there's so many people that are just focusing in on that aspect. So if we can come around them as their coaches and we can help show them how to work themselves out of that mindset, how to establish goals, and not just health and fitness goals, guys, but help to hold them accountable for goals in other areas of their life. That's one of those things that people are really needing right now. They need to be coached through some bad days, some bad moments, and talked off the ledge sometimes to get them back into their routine and focused on their goals and remember why they're doing it. Because just working out for working out's sake can get boring and monotonous. So they got to have those goals. They got to have somebody to help them achieve those goals and to get them on track when that mindset starts to be dipping down into those negative thoughts. So number 1, for 5 things you should be adding into your online coaching program. Number 1 is a focus on immunity and longevity. 2, community. 3, help with mindset and goal setting. And number 4, have fun. Guys, this should be fun. Fitness should be fun. It should not be boring. People should not be dreading like, I got to go work out again. I don't want to do this. Squats again. Oh, I feel like all we are doing is push-ups. Like, this should be fun for them, guys. I wanted to give you a few quick specific examples of how you can make your workouts fun. I know, guys, I've seen some very amazing trainers trying to make these at-home bodyweight workouts as creative as possible. Here's a few things just to kind of get the blood flowing, brainstorm session going that you can do to spice up and make those online workouts fun, those remote coaching sessions fun. And you should be asking yourself and your clients, guys, how can we make this more fun? And take their feedback, because that's what some of these ideas actually came from my clients. Clients told them what they wanted. So number 1 for the kind of fun ideas is add family members, add friends into it. So you can do family-based workouts. Maybe once a week you do an all hands on deck family workout to where maybe you got the kids bear crawling while mom and dad are doing push-ups. They're holding one of the kids up while they're squatting. The family's working out. Maybe they're all doing the things together and it's some type of follow along with content. Maybe you create a play-based workout for them where it's like parents versus kids. Tons of fun stuff that you can do. Just getting the family, maybe it's a couple, husband and wife, just getting people sweating together, especially in a household where maybe just one person is a client of yours, man, getting everybody else in the household, it just gets them to know who you are as their coach. And so again, if everybody knows who, the coach is, the significant other, the spouse, the other family members, again, it's going to increase that retention rate and it's going to get people more engaged because they see that you are really trying to help the entire family and not just them. Same kind of concept, bring their friends in. Have some type of program to where they get to bring a friend once a month or something like that, and they're doing some workout together. That's just, again, if they have somebody else that they're going through this with, it's going to be more fun, and they're more out to stick with it. Other things that you can do is I've seen a couple variations of people doing this, which again is a lot of fun, is building home gyms. Building home gym equipment with things that they have around the house, and just honestly almost making a game around it. I was watching one of my clients do one of their workouts. They were doing a live streaming follow along with workout content, and people were grabbing random objects around their house to like squat with, do like overhead squats, holding like books over their heads. And they turn it into a fun game, like who could grab the most random weird object to goblet squat. And it was really cool, and it made the workout more fun. Remember, guys, if people are having fun with what they're doing, they're going to keep showing up. They're going to be telling their friends about it. Another thing that they did that was really fun, I've seen them do this a lot, not just for Halloween and anything, but they do costume contests. They'll do themed workouts where people come online dressed as their favorite superhero or something like that, guys, and it just makes it fun. And they add like this costume contest element to what they do. Again, just anything just to take the monotony out of this, guys, and just make people smile, because there are so many people that are dealing with so much stress and negativity. Man, if you can be that one bright moment in somebody's life, you have the opportunity to make a much bigger impact than just sets and reps. So again, guys, 5 things that you need to be adding into your online coaching program if you want to stand out. Number 1, immunity and longevity focus. Number 2, community. 3, mindset and goal setting. 4 is fun. And number 5, this is where you truly stand out online from everybody else that's doing online training, coaching and accountability. Guys, there's tons of people out there that have online fitness programs. They've got bikini body guides. They've got, top 5 favorite smoothies for breakfast. Very few people are actually skilled at the art of coaching somebody. Being able to take somebody from where they are to where they want to be and remove all the blockers and obstacles that come up throughout the whole process, that is an amazing coach. Being able to hold people accountable in a loving way, at the same time making sure that they stick to what they said they wanted to do. Because we talked about this in other podcast episodes, emotions don't always want the thing. So you have to have that coach there to help you to choose action, to hold you accountable so you can actually reach your goals. And that's one of the things, guys, this is my big belief out of all of these. This is where the real fit pros win. Coaching is a skill that is developed in the trenches. If you've been training clients in person for years, you, in my opinion, should be crushing it online because you already have those skills of what it takes to get somebody from where they are to where they want to be. As a coach, you know how to hold people accountable. You know this stuff. Man, you just got to figure out how to navigate this online world and stand out with your marketing messages, and then build a community online, create an offer that attracts them, and then create the systems to scale this thing. You've got the skills, but you just need that business blueprint. And that's honestly what we do with our EntreFit coaching program. Is that's how we help the real fit pros win and take back the online space. And if that's something you guys are interested in, you can check it out. It's EntreFitCoaching.com. EntreFitCoaching.com. It's linked down here in the at the bottom of this, wherever you're watching or listening to this to. You get your first week for only $1. So I want to work with the real fit pros that want to do this. So we try to make it as easy as possible for you guys to come in. If you're accepted, you still have to go through the process and see if this is a good fit, because I'll tell you, if you're just trying to be Insta famous, man, this isn't going to be the program for you. But if you are that real fit pro, that you actually know how to coach people and get good results for people, but you want to stand out and do it online, love the opportunity to work with you. So just check us out. It's EntreFitCoaching.com. So again, guys, those 5 things that you need to be adding into your online coaching program if you truly want to stand out. 1, right now, create an emphasis on immunity and longevity. 2, add a community aspect to it. People love sweating and suffering together. 3, make sure that you are focusing on a positive mindset and goal setting. 4, make it fun. And number 5, actually be there to coach people and hold them accountable to reach the goals that they've set in their mind. Man, guys, thank you so much for listening. If this added value, share it with your Fit Pro friends so we can help impact and change more lives. Love you guys. See you on the next one. Have an awesome day.